Availability of appliances has been a bit spotty. This is due for a couple of reasons. Manufacturers in the US were shut down a week in order to put up proper social distancing measures. Across the world, some of them were shut down for over a month. This means back orders have increased dramatically. So manufacturers, even though they usually would make a wide array of options and colors and specific products, are now only focusing on the popular sellers. What does this mean for us? This means that we are very grateful that we belong to a buying group that leverages its buying power in order to get more product. What does this mean for you? This means you will either have to be patient or flexible in terms of your product. Patient in case the product that you desire's wait time is 8 to 12 weeks out. Flexible in case you need to sit down with one of the Spiker sales associates in order to figure out what you want and what you need and maybe find something that is close to the model that you would like. We thank you for your patience at this time, and we hope that you stay healthy out there.